challenges. Çekmiş to make an afberners. I love you, man. Man, it's right here. I can hear the noise of the damn thing, man. It's like a terrible sound. I don't see any firefighters, any planes. Wow, look how close that thing is now. It's terrible. Yeah, I think it's time to go. I can't risk it. Dogs. I can't take them. So it's evacuation time. The fire is here. It's ominous, you know. Just silence. I'm just hoping, you know, there are areas here in the property that are free of any vegetation, so hopefully if something happens, you know, they can just go there and hunker down. I love you guys. Check this makinenin channel. I can take you. So please be safe, huh? Go to my jeep over there. There are no trees, so you'll be safe, huh? No, I promise you will be okay. Of course, you will be okay. I love you. But there is always hope, you know. There is always hope. Silver lining to the cloud. It's almost like they let this situation Sevgili arkadaşlardan nair veya firefighter desayız. Fire işin aklına bayız hoşuma çıkar. Firefighter check of the nice respect on my push the button. Ένα security camera նայում եմ, միշտ նկարել եմ։ Մի անգամ չեկա նայեն, կրակը բռնեց։ This garage. That's the house. The barn is still standing. The dogs are fine, man. You know, I cried so much. I prayed so much. The car is fine, but where is my Zangi? Where is my guy? I have another dog, you know. Zangi! 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 I'll put things, you know, that's what's left of the meal. Ari akhbar juta mari. Ari akhbar Rasuli. Zangi! Zangi nur Arçuk can akhbarız du. Zangi nur angeres du. Oh my God. Man, the fire just like that came down and burned everything, man. Just like that. In a blink of an eye, it's all gone. Everything. All the good memories. Oh my God, that's Zangi! Oh my God, that's Zangi! Oh my God, that's Zangi! Ah, 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 that's Zangi! Oh my God, no, 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 no! You guys, I'm sorry, could you give us some privacy? I'm not gonna talk, you know? Okay, no more talking, please. Give me privacy, huh? Then please, you know, I want my family to feel they are not being intruded, okay? So you can move forward, huh? If you can respect that. If not, then it's okay. Thank you, my friend, thank you. I am sorry. I am sorry. God's creation, innocent, loyal, dignified. You are more dignity than 50% of people in the world. You are my friend. You never asked for anything. You only know sometimes afraid to ask for love. I love you. I love you. I love you. You are not gone. No, I love you. You're with me. I love you. I love you. I don't know. Okay. All right. Enough asking why. I'm not gonna ask why. It is what it is. That's it, you know. So why Burna? Oh, fucking why not? Why? Am I better than any people out there that have, you know, things happening to them? I should be fortunate and happy that my family is, everyone is okay. My children, my wife, my dogs, you know, both of them. You know how much I cried. Archuk, you know how much I cried for you? You know how much I prayed that, you know, you would be safe? Zangi, you too. I knew you escaped, so I wasn't worried that much about you because I knew you escaped. But Archuk, man, I love you so much. Imara ujeg ախպեր, im good ախպեր, im love ախպեր. I love you, man. I love you. I love you. I will build a new place for you guys. I love you guys. I love you so much. Yeah, they're helping me bury the Zangi, you know. I can't, you know, see him, touch him like that. Yeah, I know.
Oh my god.
I can't see it, man. Okay, so the firefighters are, you know, are helping me bury Zangi, you know, poor thing has died. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Oh, you're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Gentlemen,
Thank you. Thank you so much, man.
God bless your family.
Thank you, guys.
yourself.
Thank you, man. I can't even touch it, you know. Hey, Archuk.
You good there, or you want me to do it?
Zangi. Oh, Peres. My good dog. Oh, Peres.
Oh, okay. You know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Մենա չիբուխը ծխել է, հիմա էլ քնում աղբերս։ Մեղ կարող օգնած է, քան երկու օր կրակների մեջ է, you know, այդ ծուխը։ Գիտես ինչքան է այդ ծուխը վտանգավոր։
Ay, mama.
Archuk.